Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today I wanted to go over some old school style beads. I'm thinking I might turn this into a series because there's a lot of beads that we used to use back in the day. Here are some foam shapes. And these come in hearts, stars, squares, you name it, they make it. There's also these smiley buttons. And after I talk about a few of these, I'm going to insert some clips and tell you guys where you can buy them. And we also used a lot of buttons. These are the jumbo buttons. And they come in all different sizes and shapes. So you have like a medium and then small. Okay, here are some examples I found you can get at Joann's or Amazon for the foam shapes. They also come in bags, and I know that I've seen them at other craft stores, but you should be able to find them online. And I forgot to mention, over here on the left, they have these foam beads. So these are thicker, and we used to use those a lot too. But S&S Worldwide, you should check them out. They have some fun foam beads on there. And this video is not sponsored. I'm just trying to help you guys out. Okay, and for the smiley buttons, you can find those on Buttons Galore, and they have a lot of other buttons that are pretty cool. And I did find these on Amazon too. Okay, and then I wanted to give you some ideas of how to layer these up for unique singles. So I'm taking two of these, and then you could put a button in the center. You could also take a big foam shape and then put a large button and then a smaller button. You can really get creative with these beads here. And you could also put like a star or any specialty bead that you have. I mean, you could even layer these up quite a bit to get different ideas. I think I'm gonna make one on camera for you guys, but let me know if you would be interested in more videos like this. Oh, and I forgot to mention, be careful when you're purchasing these foam shapes, because they make some with adhesives, and you don't want that. And if they come without the hole, because sometimes they don't have a hole, you can just, it's easy to poke a needle through them. And if you watched my candy collection, I did have a few pieces that had some of these beads and buttons. I used these a lot when I used to make candy back in the day, but you know, most of that I gave away, so I don't really have that to show. Oh, and you can add these to necklaces or cuffs. They don't have to be a single. there you go. I love these. They're really easy to make and fun and something different. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I'll see you next time.